Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel Code and Clarity. 2026 is going to be huge for tech careers. New tools, new job roles, and massive opportunities, especially for students and beginners. So, in today's video, I am sharing the 5 tech skills you must learn if you want a high paying, future proof career. All the skills are beginner friendly, easy to start, and companies are hiring like crazy. Now, why these skills matter? These are not random skills. Each one has been selected based on the current industry demand, real job postings, hiring trends in 2024 and 2025, and what tech companies actually need. So, let's start with skill number 1, that is the hottest one right now, that is AI and prompt engineering. AI is not the future anymore, it's the present. Companies are now building AI tools, automating workflows, and hiring people who understand how to use tools like ChatGPT, Claude, and Gemini. You don't need to build AI models, just knowing how to write effective prompts is enough to give you a huge career advantage. What to learn? Prompting patterns, how LLMs think, how to automate tasks using AI, how to use AI in coding, marketing, and research. Now, career roles are opening up: AI workflow engineer, prompt engineer, AI content specialist, AI automation assistant. Even beginners can start this today. Now is the second skill, that is cloud computing. Every app you use, that is Netflix, Instagram, Swiggy, runs on the cloud. AWS, Azure, Google Cloud are becoming very cream technologies. Actually, they are booming and companies are desperately need people who manage servers, storage, and deployments. Cloud skills open roles like cloud engineer, DevOps engineer, then backend developer. Now, what to learn? EC2, that is virtual machines, S3, that is storage, IAM, that is permissions, and serverless functions, that is Lambda. Even learning one service gives you an advantage. Now, it's the next skill, that is SQL and data analysis. Data is the new oil, but SQL is the machine that extracts it. Almost every technical job requires SQL. Developers need it, data analysts need it, even product managers need it. You should learn select queries, joins, group by, subqueries. Tools are MySQL, PostgreSQL, and SQLite. Jobs you apply for are data analyst, business analyst, software developer, QA analyst, etc. And SQL is super beginner friendly. The next skill is the cybersecurity fundamentals. Cybersecurity is exploding. With more companies online, attacks have increased, so security jobs are growing fast. Beginner concepts you can learn is networking basics, OWASP top 10, encryption, then website vulnerabilities. Now, what are the tools to explore? Wireshark, Barbsuit, Nmap, and what are the roles available? Cybersecurity analyst, SOC analyst, ethical hacker. Even learning the basics can make your resume much stronger. Now, what is the next skill? The next skill is Python programming. Now, Python continues to dominate, and for good reason. It's easy, versatile, and used in AI, machine learning, automation, backend development, scripting, and data analysis. Now, if you are a beginner and confused about where to start with Python. You can build mini projects in a few days and build your resume quickly. Now, what are the things to learn here? Variables, loops, functions, APIs, and basic projects like automation scripts. Once you finish Python, you can branch into AI or backend much easily. Now, what are the bonus tip? Don't try to learn all the 5 skills at once. Pick one skill, learn the basics, build a small project, add it to your resume, and apply for internships or freelance works. Consistency beats everything. And those were the top 5 skills you must learn in 2025. Tell me in the comment section which skill are you starting with. If you found this video helpful, give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and share it with a friend who wants to grow in tech. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.